Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words in the definitions to help you. Word bank. A. Ecosystem. B. Population. C. Niche. D. Community. E. Habitat. F. Extinct. G. Endangered. Number 1. An area where living organisms interact with other living and non-living things in the environment. Number 2. All the individuals of a particular species within a certain area. Number 3. The role or job an organism has in an ecosystem. Number 4. A group of living things that live in the same area and interact with each other. Number 5. A species no longer living on Earth. Number 6. The place where an organism lives and can find everything it needs to survive. Number 7. A plant or animal species in danger of becoming extinct. Number 8. Which of the following best describes the living and non-living parts of the diagram? A. A niche. B. An ecosystem. C. A community. D. A biome. Number 9. A strip of land is cleared of trees and bushes to make space for a power line. What impact might this have on birds living in the area? A. The natural enemies of birds will increase. B. Weather conditions may change. C. The rate of erosion will decrease. D. There will be less food and shelter. Number 10. Which of the following describes a relationship in which one organism depends on another organism for its needs? A. A rabbit burrowing in the ground. B. A hawk catching and eating a mouse. C. A frog cooling off in a pond. D. An oak tree absorbing sunlight for food. Number 11. Which of these human activities in a forest has a positive effect on the ecosystem? A. Clearing the land to build new homes. B. Planting new trees where old ones were cut down. C. Building a new highway through the area. D. Cutting down trees to make farmland. Number 12. Which title would best replace Title B? A. Animal survival needs. B. Competition between living and non-living components. C. Survival needs. D. Non-living components. Directions. Write E next to ecosystem, P next to population, or C next to community. Number 13. Fish, frogs, lily pads, and dragonflies. Number 14. An entire forest. Number 15. Squirrels.